Hello everyone, my name is John Dave Espinosa. The topic for today that I will discuss is 6-step troubleshooting process by CAMTIA. Before we go to the main topic, let's talk about the definition of troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is an action plan of diagnosing the device to identify the source of the issues, problems, and it will resolve the problems of computer by process of hardware and software troubleshooting. And why is it important? Troubleshooting is important because it will help to fix the problems of computers and of course to work it again. And now you know the definition of troubleshooting and why is it important. Now let's talk about the 6-step of troubleshooting process by CAMTIA. First step of troubleshooting process is identify the problem. It involves by gathering information of what possible problem of computer. This is important because if you don't know the problem of your computer, it will be not easily to fix the problem. That's why you need to follow the first step. Second, establish a theory or probable cause. In this step, you need to theorize or think to what the most likely cause of the problem of your computer. Don't list more probable cause, instead choose one cause. Example, your computer is not working. Your theory of probable cause would be that the computer is not plugged in. Third step, determine the exact cause. If you're done to theorize, you need to proceed to the third step, which is determine the exact cause. This step is responsible for determining the cause of problem accurately. Fourth step, establish a plan of action to resolve and implement the solution. And to the established theory and determine cause, you need to make a action plan. This plan helps you to fix and resolve a problem, and it is involved by changing and replacing the settings or system of your computer. Second to the last step, verify solution and full system functionality. This step is involved by verifying or confirming the solution effectively works, and it's typically testing the system without causing any issues. Last step, document findings. It involves by taking information during the 5 steps you do. It's essential to document everything you do in the 5 steps of troubleshooting to become reference in the future and sharing knowledge about troubleshooting.